Let's go on to the quick access toolbar, which is right here on the top bar by default. Now what that allows us to do is give us some very easy options. So right now we have an autosave, we have a save button, an undo, a redo, and if we just click on this little arrow over here, you can simply have a look at the customizing options that we have. Now this quick access toolbar can have a new, so let's click onto that, we have a new there. And we can even go to things like quick print or even add things like spelling. Now, once we have the options that we want, we could also add in other options that are not available. So one thing we can do is let's go to show below the ribbon. We have show below the ribbon right here. So it simply becomes an even faster way to access. Now, one of the things that I use very regularly, so let's go down here and let's go to more commands. You can once again come up with a dialog box right here. Let's open that up. One of the features that I use quite regularly are macros, so we can have a look at the options that are available here on the left, and you can use things like, let's add a freeze panes. This is something that's pretty useful that you may use regularly. Let's go and click on to macros and we can add those as well. And if there are any other features that you use on a regular basis, you can simply just take that and put it onto the right side. Now let's press OK. Now you have all your options that are here. You can revise and add them. It's just as simple as that. This will allow you to customize your quick access toolbar as well as be able to be more efficient in the shorter, easier functions that you have.